In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Spotify User ID. This is the unique identifier tied to your Spotify account, and it's handy when you're connecting to third-party tools, collaborating on playlists, or sharing your profile in a way that's consistent and easy to find. We'll keep it simple and quick, and by the end you'll know exactly where to look and what to copy. Start by opening Spotify on your computer, or use the Spotify web player in your browser. Either one works the same for what we're doing. Once Spotify is open, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture or your name, then choose Profile. That takes you to your public profile page, which is where we can grab the link that contains your user ID. On your profile page, find the three dots, also known as the More menu. Click that, hover over Share, and then select Copy Profile Link. This copies your public profile link to your clipboard instantly. You won't see anything change on screen, but the link is ready to paste. Now paste that link somewhere you can easily read it. You can drop it into a Notes app, a blank document, a message to yourself, or even a new browser tab's address bar. Anywhere you can see the full URL clearly. What you'll see looks like a standard Spotify web address. The key part is in the middle of that link. Look closely for the section that says user/, followed by a string of letters and numbers. That string is your Spotify user ID. If your link includes extra information at the end, often it appears as SIS, followed by more characters, stop before that question mark. In other words, your user ID is everything that appears after user and before SIS. If there's no SIS in your link, no problem. Your user ID is simply everything after user/ to the end of the link. Once you've spotted it, select just that user ID portion and copy it. That's the exact identifier you can use when a service asks for your Spotify user ID. Keep in mind, this is different from your display name. Your display name can have spaces and emojis and can be changed. Your user ID is fixed and typically looks more technical. That's all there is to it. Open Spotify, go to your profile, copy your profile link, paste it somewhere readable, and grab the part right after user/. Save it somewhere you can find later, and you're set. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay and pause at any point while you grab your own ID.